Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're just going to continue on simplifying simpler exponents. Let's begin. The first example, we have 3x to the power of negative 3 over y to the power of 0. Since we have x to the power of negative 3 in the numerator, if we move it down to the denominator, it's going to become x to the power of 3. Remember what I said, you're trying to avoid powers that have negatives in them. So this is going to become 3 over x cubed times y to the power of 0. Y to the power of 0 is just 1. So the answer is just going to be 3 over x cubed. Moving on to the next example, we have 16m to the power of negative 3 over m cubed. Just like the example before, if we move m to the denominator, it's going to become m to the power of 3, and then n to the power of 3 just stays there. Now we have 5 squared times x to the power of 0. Well, 5 squared is just 25 times x to the power of 0, which is just 1. So our answer is just going to be 25. Now we have 6 to the power of 0 over 2x to the power of negative 2. 6 to the power of 0 is just 1. And we have 2x to the power of negative 2. You can just distribute that right now, or you can simply just move it up to the denominator, to the numerator, sorry. So 6 to the power of 0 is just going to be 1 times 2x squared. Now we're not done yet. We have to distribute the 2 over to the 2 and to the x. So it's going to become, well, 1's just going to go. This is going to become 4x squared. And this is our answer. The last example, we have 3z to the power of negative 2. If we move that to the denominator, we're going to end up with 3z to the power of negative 2. Excuse me, to the power of 2. That's going to give us 1 over 3 squared is just 9, and z squared is z squared. So it's going to be 9 times z squared. Thanks all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. And we'll see you in the next video.